Okay, I've got Visual Studio Code open here. We've just got a very simple web page that we're going to be using. A couple of buttons on there, a store and a read. This is because the built-in module we're going to use is called KV Storage. It's the only one that ships with Chrome at the time of recording this in Chrome 74. If you want to play around with this, you need to have Chrome Canary and experimental web features enabled, but if you're in the future, it's hopefully in Chrome already and maybe some other browsers. So built-in modules, they ship with the browser itself. No need to pull them in via a URL. So let's jump in and have a look at how we do that. We're just going to write a standard import statement, and we're going to use the storage class from KV Storage. But to specify this as a built-in module, we need to do std:, and that's it. And then just the bare package name after that. There you go. That's pretty much the basics of it. We can now use this package without pulling it down from the server. So the advantages here is rather than having it embedded within JavaScript and available on the global object, it doesn't take up that space by default. Whenever you start a new tab, it doesn't take up the memory, it doesn't take up the CPU, it doesn't pollute the global namespace, but you can only use it when you import it, and when you import it, you pay that cost. So that's the advantages of built-ins. For these common things that everyone's including in their applications, it's great to have it already available on there. Let's have a quick look at how to use it just to show. So we can have a function store in here, and we would do, it's going to be an async function, and we would just do storage dot set, I think, and we just specify a key. So let's give it a key and a value, so my value, and we'll just console out that we've done that. So stored value is good, and then we'll have another async, and we'll call this one get, and in there we'll do a read. So we'll await storage.get, and we just want the key in this case. So this this module is similar to local storage and IndexedDB. It's kind of the best of both worlds. It gives you the nice, easy interface of local storage, but it gives you a async interface, same as IndexedDB. So brilliant module to have. Right, what we need to do is just attach these event handlers to our buttons. So let's grab those. They are, what have we got? Store button, and we'll add an event. Whoops. Add event listener. I'll just put a click handler on there for store, and then if I copy this one, just running out a bit of space there. I'll just move this down, and we can still see it all. So, so the next one is what do we got? Read button, and we're just going to call read for that. Sorry, get for that. Get and store. Looks good. Let's do a refresh here and bring up the tool. So if we do a store, we get our stored value console. So hopefully in there now we've got my value, this value here. And if I do a read now, I need to put that out. So let's do console log. We read and the result. So let's do that again. We'll do a store and a read. So we read and we've got my value there. So there you go. Very simple, very straightforward, and quite an excellent addition to the browser, I think. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If not, give me a thumbs down. Click that subscribe button if you want to see some more of these in the future. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.